Rebel Shiv Sena leader Eknath Shinde along with other party MLAs arrived in Guwahati in BJP-ruled Assam early this morning. They were received by BJP leaders while Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma was seen at the 5-star hotel prepared for them. Yes, following the completion of all formalities, the Rebel Shiv Sena MLAs boarded the aircraft which can carry 200 passengers. The boarding process was going on until 4 am as per reports. Upon their arrival in Surat on Monday night, Eknath Shinde and Rebel Shiv Sena MLAs from Maharashtra stayed at the Le Meridian Hotel on Dumas Road. Now, for some unknown reasons, they have been flown to Guwahati in Assam. These MLAs sat in a luxury bus during early hours of Wednesday as they were being taken to the airport, from where they will be shifted to another BJP-ruled state, Assam, by air, sources said. BJP leaders Mohit Kamboj and Sanjay Kute accompanied them at the airport. While speaking to the media at the Guwahati airport, 58-year-old Shinde, an MLA from Thane district, said a total of 40 Shiv Sena MLAs are present here. We will carry Bala Sahib Thackeray's Hindutva. Earlier, while speaking to the media at the Surat International Airport, Shinde said, "We have not left Bala Sahib Thackeray's Shiv Sena and we will not leave it. We have been following Bala Sahib's Hindutva and will carry it further." Meanwhile, a senior BJP leader from Maharashtra said that Shiv Sena MLAs are being airlifted to Guwahati to avoid any confrontation with Shiv Sena workers. Several MLAs and Shinde arrived at the Surat Hotel late Monday night, hours after the Legislative Council elections in which the BJP gained a 5th seat despite not having enough numbers in the assembly, likely because of cross-voting from the ruling bloc and support from independents and smaller parties. Shinde went incommunicado after the results were announced and later it emerged he was camping in the hotel with some party members.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.